So we're looking at the 2010 higher level question 1 orthographic projection. So it's a picture review of a model of a castle. Excuse me. Draw an elevation in the direction of arrow A. Okay, front view, plan. Okay, look at that, and an in view in the direction of arrow B. Okay, so the in view is going to be on the right hand side of our front view, and determine the true shape of S here. Okay, so relevant information that we do need is we don't have an overall height. Okay, we have our height to this surface here, which is 90, and then the way we can get it is we get it from the in view. Come up 45 there for the ridge of our roof here, and then for a conic section here, and we have the overall height is at 108 to the base of it, and then it's 45 degrees as well. So true shape of S, I'll use this as my hinge line, so I'll be swinging it out the way, so just leave room on the left hand side or front view for that as well. Okay, so with that in mind, overall 108, it's 45 degrees. I'm going to come down 150 to the next line. Okay, next line. Okay, so the two heights here, which is 35, 55 and 108. 35 and 55, 90, 108. Okay. I'm going to come in 70 from here. Okay, so looking in the direction arrow A, so I have this point here. Okay, and put that up to a 90 mark. Okay. So we have this gable here. Okay, so I'm going to start coming in these measurements: 12, 18, 16, 20. 12 and 18 is 38, and 16 is 46, and 20, 66, 14 and 54 is 120. Okay. That is a little gable. So looking in our front view, we're going to see this 12 line here. Okay, so this mark here, so that's on our 18. So I can bring that right up to where I hit our 35 line. Yeah. Okay, so I have that surface there now. So let's see if this here comes across. Straight across, and then we hit our conic section. Okay, which that is the center point for. So the radius of it is 20. That means the diameter is 40. So we do it that way. Okay, so we're going to bring it up to our height here, to this platform. And our cylinder protrudes that up to our 189. Here and here. So then we're looking at 45 degrees. Okay, so it's a cone of 45 degrees on front view and in view. It's just going to look like a triangle. Okay, so I'm going to project down from a plan view. Let me see this surface here. Okay, as I look down my plan view, I'm going to see this eaves over here first of all. I'm not going to the full length. Okay, so we still don't know the ridge of the roof. We'll get that in our view. Okay. So the next line I'm going to see is this one here, which is 42 width. So come back in 42, 22, 16 and 20. 42, 22, 16 and 20. Okay, so that is my eaves of the roof here. Now, I'm going to put in my radius 20 circle here to represent the cone. Center point here. So I know the edge of it is finishing on this line. Okay, so back 20, that's my center point. So looking at our plan view, we're coming out our distance here, which is 22 for this one. So coming out 22. Coming from the eaves to this point here. Finish the process here. So we can have this baseline. Comes over as far as our 12. Back in. Okay, so this line now is then represented by this point to here. Okay. No. Bring the lines across where it is. Across my heights. Okay, so this is the eaves of the roof, so I'll follow that up, which is here and here. So there's here and here as I look in the main view. From the main now. Come over 45. Bring that height across. And that'll bring us up to the ridge of the roof. Okay, so it's behind the conic roof. So it's going to be a hidden detail. The eaves is also behind our little tower, round tower here, so that's going to be a hidden detail. So you can follow our dimensions around here, and we can fill in the round tower here. Okay, so the round tower comes up this height, and in view it is also .45 So looking in view, our surface is coming out this point here. So we follow that up here. There. Go down onto the next level here. We now have this surface here. Okay, so this corner joins back down to here. So we follow it up. This one. Point here. change them to a colour. Okay, and this is S. Front view, this is S. Oh. So our round tower is penetrating the bottom little slope surface here. So we need to find points on our cylinder. So 60.2 degrees centigrade. Okay. It's only this half the circle is penetrating, so just concentrate on the bottom half of the cylinder. So I'm going to have that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 0 and 6. 1 and 5. 2, 4, 3. So we have bring up 0 and 6, which is here, bring it across. So there's no 0, and then it's 6. Okay, 1 and 5. 2 and 4. And 3. So the points bring across our heights. These are 2 and 4 axis, 4 and 5 axis. Okay, so I have 0 and 6, and I have 3. Okay, so 1, bring it up until it hits my 1, 2, 2, 4, and 5. So that is our front and plan view in view. Now let's develop S. Okay, so there's 2 distances we need to develop here. There's this line here, this line. It's this distance, and this distance. So I'm going to rotate them so I can see the true length in front view. How I do that is get the distance here in plan view, rotate it onto the front view axis. Now, we're looking at it straight on. the true length and the true length. Okay. This length now has been rotated, and now looking at a true representation of it, which is there across this one. It's not that distance. And that is S, true shape. Okay, so that is 2010, question 1 higher level finished.